Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over our top 5 mattresses of 2022. So we're gonna hop right into it and we'll show you guys what we got. And here's our number 5 pick, guys. This is the Sealy Hybrid. This is a TempurPedic bed. This is the Sealy Hybrid Albany. So going over it, the TempurPedic means you have your core support. So the majority of your coils, you're gonna have more coils in the center of the bed, and that's where the majority of your body mass is. And so this is a hybrid mattress, so you have your memory foam on top. It does have cooling gel inside the memory foam as well. It's a really hot sale for us right now. So I like this mattress because it's actually a little bit of a softer feel. I actually had this mattress, not this exact one, but it was one maybe 5 generations ago, back when I was in college. It's a great mattress for the value, really soft, and it is the hybrid, so you kind of get the best of both worlds. All right, guys, and this is my number 4 choice. This is the Dream Cloud special buy bed that we got. So this one normally goes for $13.99. We have this one on sale for $9.99 right now while supplies last. I think we had almost 1,600 of these in our barn, and now we're almost sold through these. So we only have some store stock left. I think we have maybe 50, 60 in the company. We'll probably sell them through the rest of the month. So great bed in the box, memory foam, cashmere quilt, super nice bed for the good bang for your buck. It's a great mattress, and that's my number 4 pick, guys. All right, guys, this is my number 3 pick. This is the purple line. This is the actually 3 hybrid. So this is our number 1 selling bed for the purple line in our company. So really cool bed. It's new to us. It's got different technology. It's got the purple grid. It's a patented technology here. It's a totally different feel from anything else that we have on our floor. It's a great bed, and it's different. It's something that's a little bit more innovative, and it's really comfortable too. For especially side sleepers, people that have pressure points in their sides and their hip and their shoulders, this one bed works great for that. I'm actually gonna lay on once we get to number 3, so this is 3, and I'll kind of give you guys my input. So as far as feel, this is definitely softer, on the softer side. That purple grid does have a little bit of bounce back. But as far as like partner disturbance and stuff, I don't think if I'm moving that much, it really keeps us, separate if I had someone else sleeping here. So really cool as far as partner disturbance. This bed, you don't get as much motion transfer, so I do like that aspect of it. But it is a little bit more bouncy with that grid technology, a little bit different feel. But still, number 1 selling purple bed that we carry on our floor is this model, guys. Really, really sweet. And this is my number 2 choice, guys. This is another Sealy TempurPedic bed. It's not a hybrid necessarily, so you're not sleeping directly on hybrid. You're sleeping on a plush top here. So this is the Exuberant 2 Plush. So really cool model. I'm doing this one for the value too. It's one of our best-selling beds in our company. But this is still your TempurPedic core center. So you have really dense, nice coils right in the middle of the bed. And this is really soft to the touch, guys. So really, the value on this bed, $15.99 is normally what it sells at. Right now, we're doing free adjustable base, and then we also have a cash back option. If you don't want an adjustable base, you could do up to $300 off of a queen. It's just right off the price of the mattress. No gimmies, no gimmicks or anything like that. A really popular bed. It's a TempurPedic core bed. Still has gel memory foam on this mattress. And it's pretty comfy for the money. I mean, this one's one of our best selling beds, like I said. All right, guys, here's our number 1 choice. This is it right here. So this is the TempurPedic Pro Adapt Medium Hybrid. It's one of our best selling beds in our company. And as far as customer satisfaction, we don't really get returns on this bed. It's an awesome bed. So first, going over this bed, one of my favorite features on this is a cool dual layer cover here. So we have the soft stretch on the outside, and then we have this soft layer on the inside. So this is washable. You can wash this, and it is cool to the touch, so it kind of helps you keep you cool at night. So super cool. Love the covers on those. Kind of expensive covers, like $200, but pretty nice overall. Going into the bed, I'm gonna go ahead and lay on this guy. So this guy, overall, it kind of gives, at first you kind of sink in, but this is a hybrid bed. Right, so the top layer is the APR layer, which basically means it's kind of there for your body to conform to. After that, you have your ES temper layer, which basically is a tighter cell technology. Gets kind of complicated, but basically means it's more supportive. But this is a hybrid, so underneath that, you have over 1,000 coils underneath that bed that are kind of there strategically placed for ultimate comfort and support. It's a really comfortable bed, guys. One of our best selling mattresses that we sell, and it is, you conform right to it. It's kind of the best of both worlds. It is a hybrid bed, so you have the memory foam, you have the coils. Super nice bed. Big fan. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week.